Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know there is a huge uncertainty right now with everything that happens in the market, so I'm gonna do a little technical analysis for you guys to shed some light on everything that happens with the S&P and the market in general. I know there's a lot of fear right now. People are thinking the market is gonna go down or maybe it's gonna go up. There's so much uncertainty and people are afraid right now, so I'll try my best to make you feel better. I'm gonna start by telling you that I'm super bullish with the market. Obviously, I could be wrong, but I think the market is gonna go up and I'm gonna show you exactly why I think so. Okay, so here we have a chart of the S&P futures and I'm gonna show you how I see it. Okay, so here you see the drop we had in February because of this virus, and here this is the trend up. We had a breakdown of this trend line, and when this trend line broke down, there was a lot of uncertainties. So that's where everything went wrong. Okay, so I'm looking at this trend line right now. It's a sneaky one, but I've been following it for a long time, and you can see it went up here, then it went down, then it went up again. Here we had a false breakout, okay, but then we went back into this channel, and then we went down, up, and now we're gonna probably go down again to this point here. But this to me is the lowest point we're gonna go, because there are other support lines before that, and I don't think we're gonna break those support lines. So to me, this is like the lowest point we're gonna get to. Obviously, I might be wrong. Don't take my word. Do your own homework and then decide for yourself whatever you think is gonna happen, okay? Now let me show you what I mean. Okay, so you see this trend line, it's bullish, it's going up, obviously. And you can see that within this one, there's also a secondary trend line that's forming right now. But before that, I want you to look at this resistance. You can see that we have a lot of points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a lot of points, and we're going towards this resistance. It's a very strong resistance, and on top of that, we have this trend line. Let me zoom in and show you. And we have this downtrend line, you see, like that, and this is gonna be support. Let me change it to green because it's support right now. And I don't think we're gonna go down anymore. I think we're gonna continue with this trend line. Let me zoom into the 4-hour time frame chart. And so you can see we started trading with this trend line. So we went down, then we touched here, and we tried to go down, we held, and then there was a retest of the low, and then we started going up, climbing up, test here, test here, test here, then all the way up. Here we got rejected. This is the same megaphone trend line that a lot of people are talking about. And then we started to go down. So we are going down right now with this trend line. We stopped on this one, and I think we're gonna go up because there's a lot of resistance. We have this one, we have this one, we have this one. So the only way here is to go up. If we break down, maybe, but it's unlikely. It's more likely that we're gonna go up from here. So I think we're probably gonna break out of this trend line, probably gonna go down a little bit to test it, and then from there we're gonna probably go up to the upper part of this trend line. And then if the stimulus comes out, we're probably gonna break it. If not, I think we're gonna break it after the election. Anyways, I think a lot of people are afraid right now, but after whoever's gonna be president will be president, a lot of this fear or tense will evaporate, and will probably the market will start going up like it always do. Now, if I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, you can see that we also have a cup and handle pattern here. You can see this is the cup. Okay, we finished that, and then we already did almost the complete handle, and all there's left now is to go up and finish it. And after we go up, I think we're gonna go up into this trend line, and this trend line, it's a very, very important resistance. Let me show you. This resistance is so strong. In fact, let me show it to you in a monthly view. And a lot of people are considering this as a megaphone pattern. I don't really agree with the lower part of it, but the top part is really strong, and let me show you why. So if you're gonna look at this trend line, it is so powerful. It held for many years, and look at that. We started here in 2009. Here we touched it again. Then it broke down, and from that point, it started to be a resistance. It touched once, twice. Here it touched a lot of times, trying to break free. Then it bounced down. Okay, it bounced off to this trend line. Then it went up, tried to went up again, got rejected again to the bottom of this trend line. We're gonna talk about it in a second. And then it went up for the last time, and this is where the virus came, and then we went all the way down. We actually went down here, and then that's why people thought about this as a megaphone pattern. But like I said, this is not really realistic, because then it needs to go all the way here, which is I don't know, over 50%. So if you really want to look at this line, you can see the blue line, which originate from the same point. And then here you also have as well, you have a resistance. It touched here again here, then it went up, then it went touched here again. So in the worst situation, guys, the worst situation, it can go down and touch here, which is about, I don't know, maybe it's going to be 28. Maybe by the time it's going to go down, it's going to take a few months. It's going to be about 29. But this is really a catastrophic scenario. I really hope we're going to avoid this one. But like I said, I'm bullish. And in my opinion, we're going to continue going high and up. And we're going to go to all-time highs very soon. And let me explain to you exactly why. Last time we hit this megaphone line, we got rejected because this wasn't the only resistance. There's this trend line resistance, as you can see, and there's this trend line resistance, and there's the megaphone line. So it was so much resistance, and so we had to go down. Just like when we went down here, there was so much resistance, we had to back up. And then when we're gonna go up, we're gonna first test the megaphone line, which is gonna be, it's not gonna be at the same time as the other resistance. So we're probably gonna go up across this megaphone line and into this resistance, probably go down to test this megaphone line, go up, then we're gonna go up out of this resistance, and after that we're gonna go up again, and then I think we're gonna stop with this trend line resistance. And it doesn't mean we're gonna go down, but then we're gonna go down a little bit and maybe test a few other resistance points, which is gonna be support by then. And then, like I said, I'm very bullish. The market only gonna go up. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you. And until next time, good luck. And remember, let's take from the rich so we can be rich.